How to replace the wearable items on the Bose A30 Aviation Headset. When we talk about the wearable items on a headset, we're referring to the ear seals, the head pads, as well as the microphone windscreen or mic muff. Most people have their ear seals wear out first, but it's good to keep everything fresh. And lucky for us, Bose makes a kit just for that and contains all these items together. Let's take a look at how to replace them all. Ear seals will degrade over time, and oftentimes they'll start to flake. You notice little pieces of black on the side of your head or on your clothes. Replace them is pretty easy. I like to start with the headset upside down. And the A30 is kind of convenient because the microphone boom is easily removable. So I can flip these wings up and just pull the microphone off, and now it makes this operation a little bit easier. To remove an ear seal, I just pull up on it and work it around the channel, and then it slips right off. That's how the old one will look. And big surprise, the new one looks exactly like that. To put it on, I kind of like to start at the bottom. Well, that would be the top of the headset, but then work my way around that channel. So just kind of get it in on one side. Once you get one channel in, you can kind of work it around and get the new ear seal seated inside that channel. You want to be sure there's none of that channel hanging out here, or that lip that goes inside the channel hanging out. Once you kind of turn it a little bit, it'll smooth itself out inside of there. Now we got one on, we can go ahead and do the other. Once you have both ear seals installed, make sure you test fit the headset to make sure you like the way it feels. The next piece that we replace on these headsets are the headbands, and the A30 has two, one on each side. The kit comes with two pieces of headbands, and you'll notice they're exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which side you put them on. They're also attached by Velcro, which makes this really easy to do. We simply remove the old ones and place the new one on. Same thing for the other side. And as always, test fit to make sure you like the fit. The final piece of this puzzle is the mic muff. And the Bose mic muff is very simple to take off. There is a little bit of Velcro inside of here that's holding this on. So as you pull it off, you're going to kind of hear that disengage. You can even see them right there. The new mic muff will just go right on top of there. And you will probably have to pull it over that Velcro, those Velcro pieces, to get it to seat fully on. If you just push it on, it'll kind of hang up on those Velcro dots. But once it's back on, I can now attach my boom to the headset. And we're all set to go flying. You can find the refresh kit online at sportys.com.